Excellent service. Excellent service. Most convenient location. It's situated just across Paddington Station, so it is perfect if you have an early flight. They serve the best welcome drink. Love their coffee. However, there are many steps to access the rooms, so it's not convenient if you have big or heavy luggage. Location, amenities, cafe/lounge and more are perfect. I checked out of another hotel a day early because the other hotel was terrible. I found the Pilgrim on my last night, which was unfortunate. Had I known about it, I would have booked for my entire stay. Isla. A lovely quaint hotel, very near the station. Gorgeous room design with large windows to look out onto views of the neighboring park. Would highly recommend. Staff also very friendly and helpful. Exceptional. My husband and I chose the Pilgrim for its convenient location, a stone's throw away from Paddington Station, and its vintage style. We weren't disappointed. Friendly staff, beautifully styled rooms, and ideal for getting into, out of and around London. I would definitely stay again. Exceptional, friendly and easy to get to. Good breakfast and close to the center of Cambridge. Beyond expectation kind of experience. The hotel is located at a very strategic location that is perfect for traveler who are just coming for a day or two. The staff were super friendly in recommending places to visit and even offered to help me in printing my boarding pass. It is definitely one of the best hotel I've ever stayed in London, and I will definitely come back again.